There is this comfort that can only comes when you sleep and wake up from your house. Your house, I don't mean the one you pay rent, but the one you own. So, Oga Tony, Oga Emeka, you see that water plot, eh? Go and buy it like that. So don't wait until you have money for 2 plot, 3 plot. I know we love to have a big compound, but to avoid landlord wahala, because you cannot be suffering high cost of living in this Tinubu regime, and you will also be facing landlord trouble. So buy yourself that quarter land and start building. A good house starts from a good architecture and a good engineer that can turn the drawing into a magnificent modern house. Look at this water plot. You have your sitting space, you have your dining of seats, everything is even spacious, nothing is too tight and all that. You have your kitchen, you have your visitors toilet, or it can just still be a family toilet, because there is also one bedroom here downstairs that you can use as a visitor's room, or your parents' room, or your room yourself. So you even have backyard, a spacious one for that matter, where you can turn to a planting space or even turn it for swimming. You can buy all these swimming baths and put there, and kids will be having fun. These days girls count men that have that have house as something you bring to the table. Nobody wants a man that doesn't have a house now. If you like a family lodge upstairs, you can use that small space to do your family lodge upstairs. And then now let's get into the main rooms. These are all in quarter plots. Look at this bedroom, very spacious. It can contain double bed. Now I don't know how people measure your beds in Nigeria. This is the toilet and bathroom. People can share it. This is another room. In quarter plot, you have 3 bedroom and parlor, all spacious. In just quarter plot. So go and buy that land. Don't wait until you have money, because you see that land, that's your apartment that you paid 1 million or 1.5 million this year or last year. By next year, your landlord will tell you it is 3 million, because your landlord must survive. This Tinubu regime, your landlord has to survive it, and now your money, your house rent, you could take survive them. So what are you waiting for? Instead of you to waiting until you make it big, start with what you have. Get yourself a good architecture and good engineer that will turn the drawing into a modern classic house. And here you are. So guys, let me end here. See you next time. Bye bye.